Good afternoon everyone and welcome back sa ating live. This is our last game between the Olops SC versus the De La Salle Isabel. And shoutout po, ayan, kamusta? Kamusta? Pagod. Sorry, di ba may bawi ako sa'yo mamit ha? Bawi ako sa'yo mamit, wait lang. Ha? Bawi ako sa'yo mamit, wait lang ba? Ano na ako eh, pagod na eh. Pagod pa pag sobrang kapag. Yung ano ko, iba na eh. Kita po ha. Good luck from both team. Especially sa ating La Salle Isabel or De La Salle Isabel.
May score sa kabila, oh. Koy, oh. 56-0.
Huh? Alright, first ball mapupunta sa Olops SC. Almeida with the ball. Floater, no good. Rebound by Almeida. First basket para sa De La Salle Isabel. Galing yan sa jersey number 9. Almeida. Alright, all of SC basketball. Number 34. Pass number 4. Side step, no good. Rebound by Almeida. Number 10 using the glass. Number 7, no good. Excuse me guys. Sorry. Nice game, coach. Congrats. Bola rito ng ating De La Salle Isabel, number 12. Nasa corner, number 13, no good. Rebound, Almeida, no good. Offensive rebound by number 13. Pass to number 7, catch and shoot, short. Rebound by Almeida, wala pa rin. Diba dito ng Olops? Number 7. There's a foul. Shout out. Ay, shout out. Hello po. On the free throw area, jersey number 9, Almeida. Pass to number 7. To number 9. Pinagpag lang ang depensa ng Olops. Number 8 for 3, short. Number 67. Number 10, drop pass. Out of bounds. Bola rito ng De La Salle Zobel. Kick out, 4-3, no good. Rebound by number 8. Tumira sa 3. Basket by jersey number 13. Steal by number 12. Reverse layup. Basket is good by Solano. And a timeout. Olops SC. Sa baba lang. Sa baba. Baba? Number 4 on the free throw area. Okay. Kick out number 8. Tingnan po natin, ang ating official score is 11-1. Time remaining 4 minutes and 21 seconds. Let's go, De La Salle Zobel. That pass up and under, and there's a foul. Shooting the line of jersey number 8. First shot is good. Number 14. Hand off. Number 11, 4-3. No good. Number 8. Sumalaksak. Nakalusot si number 8. Let's go, Lasal Zobel. Ooh, steal. Number 8, basket. Oh, sorry, that's number 11. Time out. Ito, 7-11. Time remaining, 2 minutes and 50 seconds. Hindi po. Sige po. Back to the ball game. Time remaining 2 minutes and 50 seconds. Number 11, pass to number 12. Bounce pass sa loob. Cross, short. Number 12, basket by jersey number 12, Solano. 13-7. Number 11, blocked by number 67. Last 2 minutes sa ating first quarter. Pass, number 8 to Mirano, good offensive rebound. Basket para sa Oloms SC. Number 11 to number 12. Bigay sa corner. Floater by number 14, no good. Offensive rebound, number 34, wala pa rin. Oopsie. Wala rito na ng De La Salle Zobel, number 11, handoff to number 67. Bad pass. Out of bounds. Oh, sorry, there's a foul. Time remaining, last 50 seconds. Substitution.
Minibis tayo ah.
Ha? Ay, ito po. Running shot, no good. Saan ka, bros? Saan ko? Dito, kanina pa rin? Pwede po. Pa? Ramirez. Okay, shoutout po. Smaguardia. Number 10 with attack, no good. Offensive rebound. Number 10 and 1. That is Uno. for 3-point play by Puno. Basket is good. 16 and 9. Let's go, Lasal. Uy, steal. Number 11. Steal by number 4. Outlet pass. Uy, no good. Rebound by number 10. Oh, what a nice crossover. Binigay sa corner. And that's the end of the first quarter. Official score is 16 and 9 in favor of our De La Salle Zobel. Shoutout po Kuya Ramirez. Ayan, kasama ko po dito sa gilid. Alright, tied na ako na sa ating second quarter. Let's go, De La Salle Zobel. And maraming salamat po sa parents na nagmula sa De La Salle Zobel. It's an honor po na makakover muli ang inyong team. And shoutout din po kay former Kagawad Rudy Alfonso na kasama natin sa pagla-live dito sa Xavier. Ayan. Back to the ball game, blue ball. Olops SC Basketball. Bola ng blue. Uy, munti ka na. And that's a backcourt violation. Number 11, pass to number 14. To number 34, binigay sa corner from elbow 3. Yes, sir! By Ramirez. And ang pressure defense ng Lasal. Another steal. Number 40 naman. That is Gasta. Another steal again. Gasta all the way. Back-to-back basket by jersey number 14 from De La Salle Zobel. Timeout. Olops SC. The official score is 22 and 9. Lamang pa rin tayo dito. In the time remaining 9 minutes and 12 seconds. Ball game. Bola po dito ng De La Salle Zobel. Gasta, pass number 10. Gasta. Floater, too strong. Rebound by number 34. To number 10. Offensive rebound. Kick out. Ramirez. Pass number 3 from elbow 3. Short. Rebound by number 10. Makuha. Green ball. Casta to number 10. Ooh. Out of bounds. Bola rito ng Olops FC. A nice dive by Casta. Steal. Number 3, still there. So number 7. Wala rito, inanas. Olops SC. Oy, out of bounds. Green ball. Let's go, De La Salle. Uno. Pass number 3. Floater, no good. Tumira, wala. Well, nice pass to Puno. Assisted by Ramirez. Out of bounds. From quarter 3, no good. Number 3 gets the 3. Yes, para sa 3. Para jersey number 3. Let's go, De La Salle. Ayan na. Another steal para jersey number 3. What an extra pass, Ramirez. Out of bounds. Bola dito ng Olops SC. Steal by Ramirez. Added pass to Puno. What an extra pass. No good. Rebound by number 34. Number 8. Steal. Ramirez. Oh, sorry. That's number 15. Ayun na ang Olops. Number 7, no good. Offensive rebound by Puno. Nasa corner. Number 3 to Puno. Kick out. Pass to number 3. Top of the key. No good. Rebound. There's a foul. Time remaining 3 minutes and 35 seconds. 11 to number 18. Binigay sa corner. "24-second shot clock violation." Number 3, pass number 31, pinasa loob. Almeda, libreng-libre doon. To the quick attack. 29, correction, 28 and 9. Oopsie. Steal by number 7. Uy, too strong. Rebound ng Olox, number 11. Uy, binali. No good. Rebound by number 10. Same ball. Olox SC. Number 5, 4-3. No good. Rebound by Puno. Nagay sa loob. Out of bounds. Oopsie, out of bounds. Glass and 1 by jersey number 8. Gulo lang score. Once again, there's a foul. Time remaining, last 52 seconds sa ating first shot, no good. Second shot, basket. Basket by number 8. Out of bounds. Last 22 seconds. Number 10, Puno, no good. Offensive rebound, kick out. Number 30, short, makuha. Number 30, babawi sa 3. Oh, no good. At dito na po nagtatapos ang ating first up. Official score is 30 and 12 in favor of the De La Salle Zobel. Alright, tayo dadako na sa ating third quarter. Maya-maya lamang po. And muli, maraming salamat po to all the parents from De La Salle Zobel. It's an honor na maging mag-live at i-cover ang inyong laro sa araw na ito. Maraming pong salamat. third quarter. Aceveda setting on the play. Number 13, pass to number 67 to number 7. Kick out, number 12. Ay, sorry. No good. Ay na, Olops SC, number 11. And there's the foul. On the free throw area, jersey number 11. No good. Number 11. Basket. 13. 30. Number 7. Pinasa loob. And that's a traveling violation. Number 11 using the glass basket. Unti-unti nang humahabol ang Olops SC. Let's go, De La Salle. To number 7. Number 8 for 3. No good. Steal. Number 7. Kick out. Fake. Stop and pump. No good. From elbow 3, in and out. Rebound by number 8. Number 7. Aceveda to Franco. Franco setting on the play. Pre, sakit lang pre. Okay. Thank you, rep. Oopsie, steal. Ay na, nakuha. Tumira, wala. Rebound. Number 11, kick out. Number 14, short. Uy. Rebound by number 8. Pass number 7. Number 7, nakalusot. Aceveda. Another steal. Number 13, what an extra pass. Aceveda. Number 11, block there. Rebound ng ating De La Salle Isabel. Number 7, 2 against 1. Aceveda all the way. Number 4, floater basket. Sorry. Official score 17-36. Number 13, pass to number 7. Aceveda, running shot, no good. Offensive rebound, number 8. Outlet pass. Number 8, spin. Oh! There's a foul. Time remaining 4 minutes and 7 seconds. Shooting on the line, jersey number 8. Good. Number 11. Number 31. Number 14 for 3. No good. Bounce pass using the glass. Basket is good. 1936. Nasa gitna, kick out from elbow 3, no good. Rebound ng Olops. Rebound by number 31. Number 11, no good. Kick out number 31. Swak na swak yun. By Cruz. Steal by number 14. Nasa corner. Bigay sa corner. Fake. Ball movement para sa Lasal. Uno, tumira, and 1. Basket count, and 1. By jersey number 10. Uno. Basket. 5-1. Last 2 minutes tayo. Oh, another steal. Puno. All the way, no good. Offensive rebound. Basket is good. Another steal. Number 14. Kick out. Nice fake. Kick out again. Ramirez. No good. Rebound by Puno. What an extra pass to Puno. That's number 34. Mortel. Double team. Uy, steal. Uy, good. Oopsie. Number 31. What an extra pass to Ramirez. Go, 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 go. Last 1 minute. There's a foul. Substitution. Time remaining, last 35 seconds. Number 7. Ooh, a strip there. Pero number 31. Oy, Binale. No good. Rebound by Mortel. Pass to all the way basket. My jersey number 14. Number 8. Uy, nakalusot si number 34. Oopsie. End of the third quarter, Fishes score at 48-22. In favor pa rin sa ating De La Salle Zobel. Tingnan natin ang huddle ni coach ng ating De La Salle Isabel. Ay dito na sa ating fourth and final quarter. Let's go, Animo La Salle. Alright, back to the ball game.
One.
Guys sa loob. Tumira, no good. Number 3. Basket is good. Steal by number 8. Basket. Ayun na ang pressure defense ng La Salle Isabel. Number 7 for 3. No good. Rebound by number 8. Number 3. Extra pass, offensive rebound, number 8, wala pa rin. Steal, number 14, kick out, top of the key, 4-3, in and out. Offensive rebound, and there's a foul. Number 1 to number 7 to number 4. Bounce pass. Ooh. Free throw area. Number 18. Short. Second shot. Basket. 23:52 ang ating talaan and time remaining 7 minutes and 55 seconds. Acevedo setting on the play. Pass to number 3 to Almeda. Yan na sa loob. Kick out. Pass to Acevedo. Top of the key. 4-3. Short. And out of bounds. Wala rito ay ng All Ups SC. Number 4. Ooh. Out of bounds. Number 30, pass to Almeda. Back to Acevedo. Pinigay sa corner. Tumira ng 3. Short. Rebound by Almeda. Nabitawan na makukuha. But there's a foul. is good by number 7. Sorry, that number 8. 2 for 2. Steal. Aceveda. All the way. For the extra pass, number 34. Steal. Number 3. Yes, sir. $57.25. Another steal by Almeida. Number 3. Yes, then. Number 34, no good. Number 8. High pick up, nakalusot. Si number 8. Is their height advantage. At yung force niya. Parang dinaanan nila lang ang kalaban doon. Oopsie, steal. Number 8, too strong. Time remaining 2 minutes and 36 seconds. Bola dito ng Lasal Zabel. Gets the 3. Yes, sir. Para sa 3. Yan ang lamang ng ating De La Salle Zabel. Ooh, out of bounds. Green ball. Last 1 minute. That's a foul. Number 6 on the free throw area. Short. No good. Let's see. Hindi ka na makagawan. Wala. Wala pa rin. Rebound lang. Mortal. Number 3. Pass to Franco. Out of bounds. Alright, time out. Kalma, boy. Okay, back to the ball game. 64-25 in favor of De La Salle. Zubel, let's go. Solano. With an inbound. Pare, labas. Let's go. Binigay. Number 13. Outed pass. Fake. Tampo ah. Alright, let's go. Number 18, nakalusot. Okay, last 10 seconds. 9. At dito na po nagtatapos ang ating laban. At a nice game from both teams. Nice game para sa Olops SC. And congratulations to our De La Salle Zubel. Our final score 64-27. Panalo po tayo dito sa labang ito. Maraming pong salamat sa parents ng De La Salle Zubel. It's an honor na ma-cover ang inyong laban. Maraming salamat po. Hanggang sa muli nating pagkikita. And God bless everyone. Keep safe. Alam po. Ay, thank you, sir.